Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Ecom Academy, and for today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect your own domain to your Weebly website. Now without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I opened my computer browser and I've gone to Weebly.com. So I'm in my Weebly page editor. So if you don't have an account on Weebly yet, all you have to do is to sign up on Weebly and just enter your desired email and your unique password, and now you can use Weebly. So as you can see, I'm in my Weebly page editor, so all I have to do is click on this X right here to go to my Weebly homepage. And as you can see right here, I am in my Weebly homepage. Now all you have to do is to select setup domain right here. So just select setup domain right about here, and it will lead you to this page right here wherein you can set up or connect your domain that you already own. So if you own a domain, all you have to do is to type in the domain right here. So for example, I have this website right here, and just simply click on search right about here. So once you click on search, as you can see, we have a domain right here, like a personal domain and a subdomain. So all you have to do is to choose on any of this, and now you are good to go. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one right here, and it will lead me to the payment page. Now in order for you to set up a domain that you already own, all you have to do is to pay for any of these plans on Weebly. So you have to utilize the payment method or the payment plans right about here. So they have personal, professional, performance, and premium. So in order for you to use a domain, all you have to do is to pay. So there's no free domain or whatsoever right here on Weebly. So if you are seriously into your website making, I suggest you pay for a domain so that you can use the domain that you want. So without further ado, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!